Amid fighting and destruction in Damascus, activists in the Palestinian refugee camp of Yarmouk had something to sing about. With a piano and a devastating backdrop, activists performed a song calling on those who left the camp to come back and rebuild. Rana Kabani tweets, "Heartbreaking, brave song from Yarmouk," which now represents both Palestinians and Syrian suffering. Well, now the call for the release of the Al Jazeera journalists in Egypt has gone global, with hashtag #FreeAJ staff trending. Journalists worldwide are protesting the muzzling of Al Jazeera staff by posting images like these, asking, what if all journalists were gagged? Well, netizens have joined in solidarity. Mikey tweets, "We must maintain the freedom and safety of journalists." In Nairobi, foreign correspondents of East Africa covered their mouths with gags in the colors of Egypt's flag. Others demonstrated in front of the Egyptian embassy, carrying banners that read, "Journalism is not terrorism." Our colleagues Mohammed Fahmy, Bahar Mohammed, and Peter Grest have been held without charge since December 29th. And you can find more on this story at stream.aljazeera.com.